Good morning. I would like to thank you for your time today to attend this Compass University event sponsored by CompassCom software. The purpose of Compass University is to provide content that educates and informs our profession with the sharing of technology and practical experiences by real users. CompassCom was founded in 1994 to bring GPS, GIS, and wireless solutions to the marketplace. This was back in the days when people couldn't spell GPS, much less use it, and we're very excited to find ways to put the technology to work. As an international company, we support clients in the USA, Canada, Latin America, the Caribbean, the EU, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. We are truly an international company. We are an Esri business partner for 24 years, and our products leverage ArcGIS technology. We are approved as a state and local government provider, and we're also Esri Ready approved and have certifications within Esri. We are a Motorola approved solution provider for the last 8 years, providing critical systems both in country and internationally in support of their client base. We primarily design location-based systems and telematics that enables you to provide real-time location to enhance situational awareness. The applications we typically support are public safety, law enforcement, fire, national security, event security. We actually were the first to provide tracking in Olympic Games back in Salt Lake. Defense, we work with multiple defense agencies, both U.S. and internationally. Public works, DOTs, utilities, such as water, electric, and gas utilities, and energy, primarily supporting refineries and refinery safety for lone workers and operations people. We are a commercial but highly government-focused industrial provider. Today's event, Off the Grid and TAK Mission Connectivity Empower Real-Time Situational Awareness purpose is to present two options of technology that can be used to support your potential missions. One is support for tactical missions anywhere on the globe, frankly, independent of available wireless connectivity. The second option, when we talk about TAK and how we integrate broadband and P25 LMR technology, can come together to support missions. So the goal of our event today is to share these exciting technologies and people that are using them and the results they are seeing. Today, there are more options than ever to support first responders with communications for response to incidents planned and on demand. The use of Motorola P25 ruggedized land mobile radio systems are the dominant source of voice and data communications for mobile responders historically and today. With the growth of broadband FirstNet and ATEK options, managers of communications are looking to take advantage of these technologies for voice and data applications as well. The integration of these new technologies keeps the teams connected with different wireless footprint coverages can be a challenge. And the ability to integrate multiple wireless communication systems together for a common operational picture can be a challenge. The ability to bring your own system anywhere and provide voice and location data on demand with CompassRespond will be presented. We will also give an overview of TAK and a hybrid solution with P25 LMR. As a new development, ensures cooperation between broadband and LMR systems. Our goal here at CompassCom is enable first responders to pick up and move, go to an event anywhere on the globe, and provide world-class service. And we believe we have the connections to make these things happen, especially in working with our partners at Motorola, which are the dominant force in the devices in the field. All of our systems can be deployed to meet your system requirements. You're going to see our CompassRespond tactical jump and go system, all self-contained system where you bring your own wireless. We also do on-premise hardened deployments with the most secure agencies on the globe, where the systems are behind the firewall and hardened and insured and protected from outside threats. And then we also do secure cloud deployments using Azure and their secure platform. So depending on whatever you would need or a combination of those, we can help you figure out how to provide the best solution. We hope you enjoy today's presentation and reach out to us with any further questions. Also, if you'd like a demo of any of these things you're going to see today, we'd be happy to show you a personalized demo. And also, if you just have questions about how to pull this stuff all together, please send us an email, go to support@CompassCom.com, and we'd be happy to answer your questions or work with you in more detail. So with that being said, again, thank you for your time. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce somebody that's known to many of you, and John Gallagher, who's our Motorola Global Account Manager, is going to come on, and he's going to be more the MC today of this event. And John has many years working with Motorola, and now a number of years working with CompassCom. He works with first responders as well as government and international folks that are trying to solve these problems. So welcome, John, and let's have a great event.
Yeah, thank you, Brant. Yeah, for the audience, we are running polls today just to gather information and provide feedback to your comments about the poll. And so what we'd like you to do, please, is take this poll number 1 before we begin with our first presenter that best describes your current job function.
Okay, John, looks like we have an audience that's really focused on what we're going to talk about with public safety communications.
That certainly does.
Federal and wildlife, and then DoD. So yeah, it's great to have everybody here and have a good session.
Okay, so what I'd like to do before we begin our first presenter is I wanted to take a moment just to ground everyone in our audience today on what the CompassRespond off the grid product is very quickly. Right? It's basically, we have taken our standard CompassTAK solution and we modified it to load it onto a ruggedized laptop that relies on a donor radio, which could be either portable or mobile, to allow you to pick the system up, take it to where you need it, and then be able to talk to, as well as know the location of people who are working on an incident, supporting a response for your agency or your business. And it's a very, very simple system, easy to use. And the other thing that you can do with it is you can also integrate in a portable repeater with the solution to give you a much broader land mobile radio coverage at the incident you're managing. And we believe fundamentally when you take a product like this combine it with the Motorola APX series radios and a repeater, you've probably put together a terrific last mile off the grid tactical solution. This is basically, I wanted you to see the boxes just to make it as simple as possible. That's the view of the ruggedized laptop with the viewer and activation. You'll see over on the one side of the screen, you'll see the open Pelican case. That's how the equipment ships. The laptop is in that case. And the other case, frankly, is an example of a PDR 8000 portable repeater. And next. This is an actual CompassRespond viewer, which would show you the location of the radios that we're working on an operation for you.